She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Okay, hey Aprils, it's me April here, and today we're playing Taobao Radgoll Engine, and yeah. So anyways, we're climbing up, and I think the gravity's a bit low, or I don't know. There's one saying they're going to die, but don't want them to. Okay, this seems really hard. Like, everyone's falling. I think they're just going to go to the Taobao, but that would be even harder. Yeah, exactly, that girl's saying low gravity. I mean, she needs it, so it's like really high. I'll just say, because I don't have enough money to buy it. As you can see, I have 65, cash. I just think we're going to try just one more time, I guess. With 4 minutes, so I think that's enough. Okay guys, so we're going to the Taobao because as I'm a pro. Okay, this takes forever, sorry. And okay, we're here at the Taobao. It doesn't look that hard. Or maybe not. Oh, that girl's a unicorn. Oh wow, there's unicorns in Taobao. Didn't know they play. Okay, I love how this swirls. Okay, that was dumb. I should have just gone the other way around. And that's a long way up. And one person's already there. Okay, oops, I fell, but we're 7 minutes, it's okay. Okay, so we're climbing up, and I don't think I'm going to make it even though we have a lot of time. Because I just keep falling and I should have just gone the other way around. Okay, anyways. Because I just went to a different server, like the new towers. And it doesn't seem that hard. I'm already here, on the bronze stage. I'm sorry, brown stage. That girl's going so fast. Okay, this looks really hard because it's like in little mini blocks. Okay, it doesn't seem that hard because we've got extra time, as you can see. Where it says the minutes. Oh wow, we're already on the green level. god, we were like so close. Guess we have to do it again. I'm just so annoyed. Like I was nearly there. And anyways, congratulations to the winner of the fossil egg. Okay, that was, I think I did that by mistake. I think I'm a pro, because we're pros, let's go to the pro tell how. Sorry it took so long, but we're here and we've only got 1 minute left and I don't think I'm going to make it. But it so far doesn't look that hard. Oh my god, there's such a crowd and no one's like at the top yet. Oh my gosh, I just fell right down. Like I thought, like maybe they thought that they were all there, but they weren't. Just like me. Okay, so we're here at Radgoll Engine, one of my favourite games. And currently we're stuck. I'll just pause the video and see you again. Okay, so we're here and finally got out and oh my god, someone's on the floor. Oh, someone's on the floor again too and it looks like they're a chicken. Oh my god, that tall girl. How is she tall? So tall. Oh, we're doing a bridging gymnastics. That's like, wow. Oh, we're back. Oh my god, that person just dancing. Wow. Oh, we got bombed. And if you didn't notice, there was like a really tall girl over there. And I think she did it. Oh wow, someone was flying. Oh wow, there's a new... Okay, anyways guys, I think that's it. So, thanks for watching.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining